So I think we're on the same page about company culture. I mean, it all comes down to the company culture, and especially I'm probably, I'd say, a third of the size of the shop he is. I'm a very small shop, and with that many people, when you've only got 6 people right there, one person can turn the whole thing upside down. So it's really about building a good company culture. And, you want them to enjoy coming to work, and you want them to have good reasons for coming to work, the good thing about mechanics is that, unfortunately, they live paycheck to paycheck for the most part, so they really need their jobs, but they shouldn't feel like, it's a place that's like, oh God, I gotta come in and I gotta do this and I gotta do that. They should want to come to work. Yeah. And, they should want to be, happy. I've got a bunch of American Idols in my shop. They're all singing and, to their own stuff. And
American Idols, like as in the singers.
Like I got awesome. One guy, one of these days I'm going to send him there, I mean, he just belts it out every day, and if they're singing or if they're not, if they're paying attention, if they're singing to the truck or they're focused on the truck, they're focused on what they're doing and they're not thinking about, too much else.